Namaste and welcome to Viksit Jeevan. This video is for yoga and meditation practice which we can avail through membership plan. So let's talk about the benefits. We are getting 5 days per week class with variations of practice like exercise for muscles and joints flexibility, asana for patience and happiness, kriya for cleanse of the body, mudra to improve glandular activities, pranayama for better breath and energy, meditation for overall mental health, and lot more upcoming surprises. We all have multiple responsibilities with crunch of time, so we make it more flexible for you through flexible class timing with class switch facilities. We have wide range of class timing in morning, afternoon and evening. Even you can join the class except your decided class timing. We provide yoga for all age group from kids to old age with level of your ability and according to your expectations. We have another additional benefits for you which is health talk. Because we believe some minutes of yoga practice is not enough to become in healthy well-being. Knowledge on health and lifestyle is the most important. We provide health talks or seminar like stress, anxiety management, meditation, natural cure, nutrition, diet and other health guide from experienced doctors and therapists. This will help you to control on the regular activities and food habits. Not yet finished. With all these benefits, we even provide locker and mat keeping facilities. We felt carrying mat every day is a challenge for you all, so you can keep your mat here and avail the locker facilities as well. Our main studio, in South Kolkata Kasbah beside Kasbah Post Office and branch office in Baliganj near Senior South Point School, Durgabari. Another branch in Ruby Dhanmat Loknath Mandir. So this is not just a yoga class but consider as an entire lifestyle guide. Now all the benefits you are getting with a temporary offer. We have membership with 3, 6, and 12 months. For kid below 13 years, 3 months is 2,100. 6 months 3,600 and 12 months membership 6,000 which is 500 per month. Where for adults 3 month is 3,150 which is 1,050 per month. 6 months 5,400 that is 900 per month, and if you are taking 12 months membership then 9,000 which is as low as 750 per month. And one time 300 admission fees.